Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Just got this Mexican chili Huel, and give you an idea of what it looks like on the inside. And we're gonna prep that, see what it tastes like. Smells great. Yeah, it's got a great smell to it. And so we're gonna do 2 scoops, basically 400 calories, 200 calories a scoop. And we're gonna add 8 ounces of water to it. And we are going to, per the instructions, microwave it for, I guess, 1 minute and 30 seconds, and we'll see what it comes out. It's calling for 8.5 fluid ounces, but I've heard from a couple different people that comes out a little liquidy, so we're going to make it like a little more consistency to it, so stay tuned. All right, so that is our 8 ounces of water. We're going to pour that in. And now we're going to put it in the microwave. So 1 minute and 30 seconds. We'll let that go. And maybe you can kind of see it rotating around in there. Okay. Okay, so this is 1 minute 30 right out of the microwave. So we're going to let that stand and soak up a little bit more. And then we'll be right back. Okay, so I let this sit for about a minute, and I think I can kind of give you a peek without dumping it out of the bowl. So it's got a thicker consistency to it, kind of reminds me of like an oatmeal consistency. And if I made it again, I'd probably put just slightly less than 8 ounces of water. But again, it's like to your preference what you want to do with it. And this is the Mexican chili, and taste-wise, it's got like a good heat taste to it, not overpowering. Little on the crunchy side, kind of like surprising. Maybe if I let it sit around for a little bit longer, but definitely good. Something that you can prepare on the road, in the office, bring with you. And I like the fact that it's easy to measure, hot, savory, Mexican chili, and it's got everything in it that you need to sustain you. And on top of it, the 2 scoops has 24 grams of protein, which is like great because I don't think we all get enough protein in our diet. But I mean, you can read through everything that's on there. But yeah, this stuff it's great. Great tasting. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.